Good morning from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from Kalima paradise today. Warm Wednesday morning here, 21 degrees, expecting 25 today, and you can see Kalima fog, but nothing serious, easy to breathe. You can see Hazte, and there's the sun behind the fog. Yeah. Yesterday I've met Scott from London, musician, and he lives here now, of course for vacation, but I told him it's around 10 minutes to walk from La Paz down to downtown. So I have an idea. Let's have a time trail from here. Let's wait for 9:30 and let's walk down. I said around 10 minutes, so we will see. To go down to, okay, 9:30. Let's go to Playa Martianes, down there. No running, just normal fast walk. Let's go. Agatha Christie stairs. Must-see place in Puerto. Breakfast if you want. Típicos canarios. Comida típica canaria. We can learn some Spanish words. Comida típica canaria means typical Canary food. Comida típica canaria. Italia. And a new friend. It's beautiful. So remember, typical Canary food in Spanish, comida típica canaria. Maybe after 1 hour you can see the sun much better. We will see, probably. Yes, really, it's only 10 minutes to get here. Traditional El Niño's walk. It's a good boy. So have a lovely Wednesday. All the best from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.